everyone, welcome back to Colorido. This is Tina again. And today we are talking about maintenance tips for this printer during your holiday. Use the non-woven fabric and wipe the whole body of the machine. Ensure it is neat and clean. And next part will be this ink station. Move out the cartridge. Use the non-woven fabric. Clean here around this taping to be sure it is well cleaned. If you rest a little bit longer time, and ensure you use the cleaning solution. Filling a little bit into the caping. And move back this cartridge. Ensure the print head and the caping close properly. And after that, close these clips one by one. The ink pipe clip, just close it. The last step will be turn off the power of the machine. And hope these tips will be helpful for you. And enjoy your holiday. See you next time. And don't forget, subscribe us and follow us. Bye.